let's get straight into removing audio from your video inside Canva. First, open your Canva dashboard and click on the Create a Design button to start a new project, or just open an existing design where your video is located. Next, navigate to the left sidebar menu and click on the Uploads tab. Click the purple Upload Files button, select your video file from your computer, and wait for it to finish loading. Once it is ready, click and drag that video directly onto your editing canvas, adjusting the corners so it fits your page perfectly. Now, click once directly on your video in the timeline or on the canvas to select it. Look at the top navigation bar that appears above your design. Scroll your eyes over to the center of that menu and click on the Audio Tools, which is next a small speaker. Here, select Extract Audio option. Alternatively, you can right-click on Audio Track Little about your video timeline and select the option that says Extract Audio. The important thing is knowing how you want to handle the sound from here. When you click Extract Audio, a separate purple audio track appears right below your video in the timeline. To get rid of the sound completely, click the three dots on the right side of that purple audio track and click Delete Track. If you choose to delete the audio entirely, you lose the ability to quickly turn it back up later if you change your mind. If you want a safer option, instead of extracting and deleting, you can just click that speaker icon in the top menu and drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. This mutes the audio instantly while keeping the original soundtrack attached to the video file just in case you need it back later. Once you make your choice, click the share button in the top right corner, choose download and save your silent video.